Meanwhile, Indiana isn't seeing much relief when it comes to COVID cases. Take a look at this. This is our positive rate. Our rate of positivity, which is more than 13% right now. Now, the state wants it to be down to 5%, but while we wait, hospitals are filling up fast. Matt joins us live right now with the issues they're running into. Matt.
Well, later this afternoon, we're going to get our numbers from the state when it comes to what we're seeing with fresh COVID cases. That'll be coming out around noon. And then tomorrow, state leaders here at the State House will be issuing their weekly guidance, which could include more information about how we should prepare for the upcoming Christmas and New Year's holidays. This comes as really hospitals all across our state are really filled to the brim in communities like Indianapolis to Franklin, Richmond, and all around our state. Hospitals right now really pushed to the brink. They are at their maximum capacity. Some patients are in parts of the hospital never imagined to be a patient room. As you can imagine, staff, including nurses and doctors right there in the front lines, are working longer shifts, even picking up extra days. The only perhaps bright side is that they are better equipped than they were back in the spring when the pandemic first hit.
Today, we have plenty of PPE, we have much better testing capacity, we have treatments that we did not have before. So while we have many more patients than we did in the spring, our ability to take care of them is much higher than it was.
There's also a bit more understanding about COVID-19, and in addition to that, there are more respirators. And despite all of that, it really looks like it might be about 6 months from now until pretty much everyone would be able to have that COVID vaccine after it's issued first to those emergency and frontline workers. Then it trickles down. So it could be the summer before everyone has that vaccine. And the concern now is that the situation hospitals are seeing now could potentially only get worse, especially after the holidays here coming up later this month.
Let's take a look at Indiana's numbers right now. The state is reporting it includes 5,700 new cases. That's down from what we've seen lately, but that could be because of the weekend. In total, 387,000 Hoosiers have been affected, including in those cases are more than 14,000 students and 6,500 teachers and staff who tested positive since the fall semester started.